doTERRA's Balance Essential Oil was specifically made to bring balance to the body and tranquility to the mind. doTERRA's Balance Essential Oil is made up of a blend of 5 different essential oils to create this powerful formula that smells incredible. The 5 essential oils in this blend are spruce, hoe wood, frankincense, blue tansy, and blue chamomile diluted in fractionated coconut oil to give it this light blue color to this oil. Spruce, one of the oils in doTERRA's Balance, was used by Native Americans for health and spiritual reasons and is still used today to bring harmony to the mind and body. Hoe wood and blue tansy and blue chamomile can help ease anxious feelings, while frankincense provides a grounding balance effect on emotions. I love the smell of this essential oil and will use this one as a perfume throughout the day. If you want to learn different ways on how to use this oil, make sure you check out my top uses for Balance Essential Oil so you can start using this essential oil at home.